The Market Timing Pro strategy is absolutely dominating. Check this out. Let me make sure you guys can see this. We are up to $109,000 in equity. We are floating $21,400 P&L. This is a low win rate, high risk reward investing strategy that is hands off, touch grass, few signals, long holds, the best of both worlds investing long only and trading with market timing and a stop loss to limit loss. And I'm absolutely loving it. Now, unfortunately, this is paper trading. It is paper trading. There's a paper account. All my money is in my Forex account right now, but I'm excited to get back to, I'm going to say investing with the system with live funds sometime. I'm going to say sometime this year. I don't know because the thing about this system is it doesn't produce many of the best signals. It happens rarely. So let's go ahead and take a look at the trades that I'm in. So I'm in a number of trades. We can see I'm in US 100 since April 22. I took the buy signal, and you can see this is at $7,700. It's running at over 7R, and my stop is now locked in about 5R. It's actually running around 8R because of what I was risked at the time. I have a TP, but you don't really use TPs with this system. It's more you advance the stop over time, depending on price action. I'm also long US 2000. I have not had an opportunity to either add on or advance stop. US 500 is just around break even. We'll see. Bought the new all-time high. The dips, I much prefer buying the dips. I'm gonna have back-tested data for you soon that I can show publicly. Hopefully, hopefully this week. Supposedly I will. Supposedly I will maybe this week, maybe next week. That's gonna show you the edge of these different setups historically, and it's gonna be gold. Speaking of gold, I did try a long at the new all-time high, but I got stopped out. This is a real entry that I took down here. I closed it too early, and it's something I regret because it would be up 60 and I would be up hundreds of thousands of dollars. In my real account, I'm not. It's okay. The gold actually has failed at the all-time high so far, so I'm not trying gold here. Same thing with US 30, actually failed at all-time high, which isn't the best sign, but the system you never short, so we just sit out. I never took US 30, I'm not in it. EU 50 I actually took, but I got stopped out break even on this pullback. Often, yeah, it's usually wrong to advance your stop to break even. It's just, yeah, early. It's something that I need to work on. And then we're long on Bitcoin. I took add-ons here with a very wide stop. This is maybe not the best add-on. It's out of system, but I was actually a day late on the buy. It didn't really matter. We were underwater for a while. Running wide stops is key to this strategy. 5% stop here, 7% stop on the second add-on, although that's never been underwater hardly. Same thing with ETH. ETH looks really good. We're currently up about 6R, and not advancing my stop here saved me as it moved in my favor a couple R, came back to stop, and then by waiting, it surged how much in a single day? It surged 20% in a single day. So, um, yeah, pretty great call, doing nothing on that. And I'm just letting them run. Nothing too interesting on JP225. Oz 200, I tried and got stopped out. And then I'm just letting bots handle the Forex. But um, I'm at, I'm I do like buying new all-time highs, but I know I'm gonna have the data soon. Buying the dips is much better, so you have to be prepared. And the dip buys happen rarely. I mean, for the U.S. markets, the last dip buy was the last good dip buy was in October, all the way from October to April. So you have to be really patient and wait for those. buying the all-time highs would have worked okay, depending on where you got out, but obviously buying the dip much better. Same with 500, and with Bitcoin, the last dip buy was the last like clean dip buy was all the way back here in August and September. So it had been months and months and months. And again, you can buy the all-time highs, but when you have a stop loss and you're trading with leverage, the dip buys is a much better signal. So when we got a couple dip buys, you know what I had to do, get in there. And even though I was a day late, didn't matter. So this is a very hands-off strategy, and I'm gonna have that indicator soon. So just keep checking back this space. I'll share it with you. And well, it's not going to be free. It's going to be paid. It's going to come with a trading system as well. And yeah, I'm going to use that money to invest more in this and trade it live. And also, I'm going to use that money, use my time that I get to go touch grass and run my adventure business. But I wanted to share that with you guys. I'm excited, and I want you guys to be excited too. So yeah, keep checking back. I'll have it soon and share it with you guys when I do. Much love.